How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Meccano Creations. So in this video, inspired by the Christmas season, I will be building a fireplace out of Meccano but with a unique twist. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure to watch till the end to see the finished project. In order to start with the project, I searched online for a reference picture of a fireplace that I could replicate and chose one with a beautiful stonework design. I was drawn to the intricate stone patterns, for which I used double angled strips to simulate the look of stone or bricks. This, however, isn't the first time I used double angled strips for architectural designs. If you're interested, you can check out my other architecture themed videos where I have used this particular Meccano piece in various creative ways. After finalizing the basic dimensions, I began building the hearth. It's 15 by 3 holes. Since the hearth needed to showcase stonework, I bolted together the double angle strips to achieve that effect. Here's how it turned out. It's simple but effective. Next, I moved on to the pillars and the surround, though I'm not entirely sure if that's the correct term. Fireplaces are very uncommon in India, so I had to research the anatomy of a fireplace online. If you know the right term, feel free to let me know in the comments. The pillars are built in the same way as the hearth, with a stone or brick pattern. Each pillar is 7 holes tall, making them proportional to the structure. For the arch of the fireplace, I got a bit creative. I combined two 8-hole curved pieces to form the shape, and for the top, I used a 9-hole flexible strip from the Mechanix set. For those unfamiliar, Mechanix is an Indian brand that's compatible with Meccano. Their products are of great quality, though their gears, which are made of plastic, aren't really Meccano compatible. Still, they are worth exploring. If you are interested, check out my Best of Mechanix playlist on my channel. I will leave a link in the description below. Returning to the build, I have now started assembling the mantle. Once that's complete, I will move on to the most exciting part of the project, bringing the fireplace to life. Here's the finished build. It looks neat, doesn't it? But now comes the fun part. I've downloaded a fire animation that I will position perfectly to simulate a real burning fireplace. It really brings the project to life. Pretty exciting, right? To hold the phone in place, I've added a couple of brackets, making it easy to position the animation right at the center. It works seamlessly, and I think the final result looks fantastic. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you are inspired to build your own version, post it on YouTube and tag my channel. I would love to see your creations. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this project come together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative builds. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so click on the links down in the description and follow me. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.